This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel. Pull the cover from the anti-theft wheel nut where fitted, then slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn using the special anti-theft nut tool where necessary. Position the workshop jack head under the rear differential housing and raise the vehicle until the rear wheel is clear of the ground. Position an axle stand under the axle to support the vehicle. Fully slacken the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Straighten out their legs, pull out the split pins, then withdraw the pad retaining pins and recover the anti-rattle springs. Lever the pads from the disc a little, then slide the pads from the caliper. Brush any dust or dirt from the caliper. Measure the thickness of the pad's friction material. If either pad is worn to 3 mm or less, all 4 rear pads must be renewed. Clean the caliper using an aerosol cleaner and soft brush. If new pads are being fitted, push the pistons fully back into the caliper using a suitable lever. Keep an eye on the fluid level as the pistons are retracted. Slide the pads into place in the caliper, ensuring the friction material is against the disc face and the shims on the backing plates, where fitted, are uppermost. Clean the pad retaining pins, then slide them into place through the outer pad, anti-rattle spring and inner pad. Insert the new split pins and fold over their legs. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Carry out the pad replacement procedure on the remaining rear brake. Locate the wheel over the studs on the hub, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Where applicable, refit the cover to the anti-theft wheel nut. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.